Do bird watchers have abnormally wide heads or something? Because I can only look in one at a time. Oh. Oh. Okay.
You know, when I was pre-teen, probably 9 or 10, we'd go over in the summers to visit my grandma, and she had a hummingbird feeder. That's when I first really noticed birds, because hummingbirds are like, you know, little living helicopters. They can just sort of hang in the air, and I was just fascinated. And she was like, well, there's, you know, tons of different kinds of birds. They can't all do that. And I guess that's when I first really became a fan of birding.
Nice. I've been birding for about 5 years. I used to have anger management problems. Oh yeah. So I saw my psychoanalyst, and she told me to get into birding, that it would help my nerves. I said, do you really think that's going to help? And here I am 5 years later, calm nerves, I sleep well at night. It's been awesome.
Girls?
Did you really have to bring them? I mean, they're going to be going to flush away the good birds, you know.
I'm sorry. My sister, she had an emergency, and I mean, they're actually not usually like this. So.
Ooh. Shh. I think I see. Oh, yes, it is. It's a Royal Majesty red-feathered lovebird. They say that if you spot one of those, you're about to find your true love.
And see, not everybody knows about this. With Bird View, if you get the upgrade on the app, it can tell you, you can just move it around. Like, look, there's a red-ringed bush tyrant. Oh, he's moving. There he is. There he is. You see what, you know, if your lenses weren't covered, you'd be able to see a whole lot better.
Oh, thanks.
So let me show you guys this new birder app I got. It's really, really cool. It actually has the mating call of different birds. Let me show you. This is a gold-crested screecher.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think that was a male.
This one's called a codependent warbler.
Those are pretty common, but yeah.
Now this is my favorite. This is called a neurotic nightingale.
What are you looking at?
That's a young one.
Have you ever get catcalled by a bird? Since you're so obsessed with birds, do you also eat worms? Why do I always go to school? To get a bird brain. Do you want to hear some of my bird noises? I can make bird noises! Caw! Do birds have lungs? Do birds have eyebrows? Why do birds fly south for the winter? Because it's too far to walk. What kind of bird? The bird or the egg? Sweet, 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 sweet. Has a bird ever pooped in your eye? What's your favorite bird to fight? Oh my gosh, you're so hilarious. Thank you. Like way funner than these adults. Yeah, just bird watching.
Well, thanks, guys. I think I'm gonna get into bird watching.
Good.
Birding.
Oh.
Maybe she won't bring the girls.
Hope so.
Garrison.
Oh, hey. Call me Gary.
Gary and Jerry. Well, I decided to come to another meeting.
Awesome. I see you brought the little ones.
Well, my sister, she said she'd have them picked up by now, but she hasn't. So, I mean, I really wanted to come again, but they said that they would behave. So, hey, what's in the bag?
Nothing.
Is that something to keep you occupied?
Obviously. Yeah. For sure.
Okay, all right.
Yes, we
Anyway,
totally-
I'm here to learn.
Welcome.
Can we go now? Hey, look at me. Hey, look, I'm a bird with pads. Ooh, not smooth. Yes, sirree.
Mary, this isn't going to work with this girl. I'm sorry.
You can come, but please don't bring the kids next time.
Let's see how they feel when they're the ones being watched. So how does it feel to be watched?
Where is your mother?
Gosh, this is boring. I'm done. Yeah, you want to go read or something? Seriously. Let's go. Anything but this.